What's up guys, it's Ryan here with HomeofTech, and in today's video I'm going to be upgrading the RAM in my 2018 Mac Mini, so stay tuned. So I know there's a lot of video on YouTube showing you guys how to do this, but you guys have never seen me do it before. And I have never done it before, so why not share the experience? So I will be upgrading to 16 gigabyte and not 32 gigabyte. And for what I do on a daily basis, I think 16 gigabyte is good enough for right now. So the RAM that I picked up is the Crucial 16 gig DDR4 kit with 2 sticks of 8 gig running at 2666 megahertz. And I chose single rank instead of dual rank because that's what the Mac Mini came with. To install the RAM, I'm gonna need a T5, T6, and T10 screwdriver along with a spudger. If you're attempting to do this by yourself, I would recommend picking up the iFixit toolkit that I link in the description below because it has everything that you need. So let's get to the upgrade. So I'm gonna flip the Mac Mini over, making sure the back of the Mac Mini is facing me. I'm gonna use a spudger to gently pry this black cover up. And I'm gonna need to get my T6 screwdriver. But instead of a regular screwdriver, I'm gonna be using my precision electric screwdriver with a T6 bit. I'm gonna remove these 3 screws followed by these 3. I'm gonna gently lift the right side of this silver panel because the Wi-Fi antenna cable is attached to it and we don't want to break it. Now I'm going to use the T6 screwdriver to remove the screw that is holding the Wi-Fi cable in place. I will use my spudger to disconnect the Wi-Fi cable and set the panel aside. There are 4 screws holding the fan in place in these specific locations. Remove them with the T6 screwdriver. Next, I'll gently lift the fan and remove the connector from the motherboard and set the fan aside. I'm also going to remove the power cable along with this little cable. Just be careful when you're pulling on it because it's very delicate. Now I'm going to remove the 2 motherboard screws with my T10 screwdriver. Now it's time to remove the motherboard from the case. I'm going to turn my Mac Mini around and push on these 2 points to remove the motherboard from the chassis. The RAM is located beneath the silver cage and I will use my T5 screwdriver to remove the 4 screws holding the cage in place. After I remove the cage, the RAM will become accessible. I'm going to push the clips aside that is holding the RAM in place. This will release the DIMMs. Now I'm able to remove the existing DIMM modules. I'm going to replace both 4 GB DIMM modules with the 2 8 GB DIMM modules that I purchased. Remember to line up the DIMMs with a notch on the bottom. I will carefully put everything back together in reverse order, boot up my Mac Mini, and I should be able to see the new RAM configuration. So guys, there you have it. Very simple upgrade process and it doesn't require a lot of tools or time. So guys, that's it for this video. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss any video. Thanks for watching and catch you guys in the next one. Peace.